So you're thinking about setting up a headless Raspberry Pi? Smart move. This is a great way to save money and space while still getting all the functionality that you need from your Raspberry Pi. Let me walk you through this process. First, get yourself a micro SD card that's at least 8 gigs or larger. You'll need this to install the Raspberry Pi OS. Next, download and install the Raspberry Pi Imager on your computer. This tool is going to help you flash the OS on your micro SD card, and you can find it on raspberrypi.com. But I've also included a link to download it in the video description. Now fire up the Raspberry Pi Imager and then click on the Choose Device button. This will bring up a list of Pi boards, and you can skip the step if you want. Now click on the Choose OS button and select the Raspberry Pi OS that's suitable for your board. Just remember, if you're using a Raspberry Pi 4 or 5, go with the Raspberry Pi OS 64-bit option. And now choose your micro SD card from the list of available storage devices. And then click Next, followed by Edit Settings from the pop-up that appears. And this is really where some of the magic happens, where you can skip this process completely on your Raspberry Pi. You can specify a hostname, username and password, as well as Wi-Fi connection details here. So fill in all the necessary details on the General tab, as well as locale settings if you want. And now under the Services tab, switch on the SSH option and select Use Password Authentication. This is what's going to allow you to remotely access your Raspberry Pi via SSH. Then save your settings and then confirm that you want to apply the OS customization. And then finally, confirm that you want to write the operating system to your micro SD card. And now all that's left is to wait for the operating system to be downloaded and installed on your SD card. And then once that's done, pop the SD card into your Raspberry Pi, boot it up, and then boom. You'll be ready to log in via SSH and start tinkering with your headless Raspberry Pi. Easy peasy, right? Thanks for watching. And for more on Raspberry Pi, please consider subscribing to this channel.